Bonjour, bonjour, comment ça va? Bonjour, bonjour, très bien, merci. Je suis content d'être ici.
Bonjour. Dari mana?
Perth.
Wah, orang Indonesia di Perth. Oke, habis keliling part-part yang besar dari kampus ini, Murdoch University. Very nice experience. I think there are lots of differences, but now I would like to have your point of view as an Indonesian student in here in Perth. So, tadi sudah bilang kan ada dari beberapa bulan, ada dari Makassar, kan beberapa bulan juga dan 2 tahun di sini.
3 tahun lebih.
3 tahun di sini. So, yang saya pengen tahu mungkin yang pertama adalah apa culture shock yang paling besar buat kalian?
Bisa minum langsung dari keran di sini. Tapi kalau balik ke Indo, jangan lupa kebiasaan itu dibuang. Jadi beralih ke air minum kemasan lagi kalau balik ke Indonesia.
Okay.
Kalau aku kaget beberapa kali aku ngeliat orang Australia itu they go around in public barefoot. Mau ke mall, ke airport. Untung di kampus sih, not really. Tapi I see people walking down the street jogging, nggak pakai sepatu, nggak pakai sendal, nggak pakai kaos kaki, just barefoot.
Nggak sakit ya?
Nggak tahu. Apparently itu normal. Aku tanya teman-teman Australia aku, ya itu
Kalau di
biasa.
Indonesia
Kotor.
kotor kenapa aku kan?
Iya, mereka juga kotor sebenarnya, tapi mungkin lebih cuek ya.
Oke.
We don't know.
Alright, nice information.
Kalau buat aku, everything close early. So even like the shopping mall, they close around like 5 p.m. Not like Indonesia or Jakarta where it's like 10 p.m.
Yeah,
and you can get like last minute stuff.
So for example, walaupun sekarang lagi di kampus, kalau jam segini mau kopi jam 4, jam 5 sore tutup.
Yeah.
No coffee.
Only
Gotta make
specific
them your own.
area has late night cafes, but not all cafes open.
Alright. Apa yang paling kangen dari Indonesia?
Makanan.
Sambal.
Sambal. Oke, mulai dari
Aku sih gayung ya.
Gayung.
Kayak di date gitu di toiletnya
iya.
gitu. Aku capek pakai tisu.
nggak ada, memang nggak ada sama sekali di sini.
Tergantung householdnya. Kalau mereka mau pasang ya pasang, kalau nggak mau ribet ya pakai tisu.
Tergantung targetnya siapa ini yang
Betul.
Yeah,
Betul,
that's true.
betul.
Tapi KJRI Art Consulate, that's the one place that we have that I reckon we have bidet.
Okay.
But then it would be weird to go to consulate just
Just
to
for the toilet, right?
At least you experience it in another country.
Yeah.
Oke, gayung bidet one and then
I miss the food. Here eating out itu mahal. Makan di luar itu mahal. Kan kalau di Indo aku lapar bisa GoFood atau keluar pinggir jalan mesen bakso martabak gitu ya. Kalau di sini nggak bisa, you can't do that. Eating out is expensive walaupun ada restoran Indonya, tapi not the same as pedagang kaki lima. Mas-mas ketoprak pinggir jalan.
kangen ya.
Iya.
Harusnya bawa ke sini ya.
Iya. Gojek buka di sini.
Oke. Ketiga?
Iya, honestly same makanan juga, karena biasanya kalau di Indo kan ada yang keliling malam-malam gitu kan. Kalau lapar ada yang keliling bawa gerobak, di sini tuh nggak ada. Like, you have to cook. If you wanna be a bit more tight on your budgeting, you have to cook a lot because eating out is very expensive.
So you're not only here for studying, but you become a chef
Yeah,
as well.
yes, that's true. We're training to be a chef.
Become your own chef, your own cleaner, your own
People think it's not a big difference. They think it's not a big difference. I'll just eat out, but it's a really huge
Huge
difference.
difference.
Yeah, huge difference.
Even though just $1 per day, well, at the end of the month, it's only 30, right? So
Yeah. You also have to pay attention where you shop for groceries. Aldi is the cheapest. You can't say brands. Oh, sorry, I can't say brands. Oh, yeah. Okay.
YouTube,
No,
not national
yeah,
TV.
but I would recommend there because other places tend to be more expensive. They have Spud Shed for produce for fresh produce. Really good Spud Shed.
yang pengen ke sini nanti harus nonton.
How to save money first.
Yeah. How to save money in Perth. And what's the biggest your recommendation for Australian food? Makanan Australia yang harus
They
coba.
say fish and chips are really good here.
Okay.
I don't know if that's Australian, but fish and chips, yeah, really good. Controversial, but I think people need to try Vegemite the right way.
Vegemite guys.
I don't mind it. I'm not saying like it's my favorite thing, but I see people like scoop it up like Nutella. Tapi harus itu tipis-tipis aja di roti. It's not, yeah. And then it's okay. It's not the best, but like I feel like, you know.
Out
people
of 10
try.
berapa?
7. expensive. But like I think people should come here and try it. You know, yeah, just to try it.
Okay.
For me, again, not really purely from Australia. Meat box, so it's like fries with like lamb, chicken, and like beef meat, right? I'm not too sure where it come from, but it's really good, and you get like so many sauces.
Oke. Katanya saya pernah dengar ya, ada bisa makan makanan dari kanguru atau is it true?
Yeah, they do have
Jerky.
kangaroo like beef jerky in the supermarket, but I've never tried it. You should try it. You could try it.
Alright.
Katanya lebih tough, lebih
tough.
But it's not from wild kangaroo. It's like the one that they already cultivate.
Okay, so special kangaroo.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we are in your beautiful campus here. Apa perbedaan di antara kuliah di Indonesia dan kuliah di sini?
Kayaknya kalau di Indonesia kan kita satu mata kuliah itu 3 SKS, terus kita seminggu 8 mata kuliah buat memenuhi 24 SKS satu semester. Tapi di sini kita 4 mata kuliah itu 1 minggu, so we have lots of free time, and we could see lots of students that are also working, which is really good. And this campus is very, we also have external students here, so you can enlist in the army while studying in Murdoch especially.
Okay.
For me, kita kan kalau rekam lectures itu biasanya pas COVID. Tapi kalau di Murdoch itu every time they conduct a lecture, they record it. So if you don't attend a lecture, you don't you don't have to attend a lecture. I think in UGM anyway, they count your attendance, but here not necessarily. So you can always access the lecture online, and you can access it anytime. They have subtitles. You can write it on the platform. Super easy, super convenient.
Kalau di UGM, attendance-nya di bawah 75 nggak?
Iya, kalau di bawah 75 nggak bisa bahasa.
Kalau Kak, gimana?
Aku belum pernah kuliah di Indo, jadi mungkin nggak terlalu tahu apa bedanya. Tapi in my course here, at least in my major, the classes that I attend, we don't really have attendance. It's really rare to have like that you have to sign like a attendance sheet. It's just like, yeah, if you want to study, if you like, it's kind of like you do you, but again, it's your loss if you don't go to class.
Of course, and you already pay for it.
Yeah.
And regarding the, you're coming from Indonesia to Australia, even if it's a neighboring country, it's quite far. You have a different currency. What about the budget? If you can give a range, so Indonesians who want to study here, they can have an idea about maybe the accommodation or the food per week or per month.
For me, excluding rent, itu living cost around 800 to 900 Australian dollars a month. Itu dikali 10 ribu, jadi 8 juta sampai 9 juta ya. Mahalnya itu di rent kalau di sini. I live in the university dorm with her. My rent is currently 300 Australian dollars atau 3 juta per minggu. Jadi per bulan tuh 12.
Okay.
Tapi definitely you can try to find more cheap, affordable housing. I think you have.
Yeah, because luckily me, I rent it from a friend, friend. My rent is 105 per week, excluding bill, and bills are like 55 per month. 4 jutaan sebulan. For foods, usually I do grocery around like 150 per week or like fortnight. It really depends on like my mood, whether I want to cook or not.
I see. Lots of Indonesians are here on campus and also visiting Australia. Apa yang biasa di Indonesia dan nggak boleh di sini atau jarang sekali?
Kayak di sini, it's not really common for you to, misalnya kalau kenalan gitu, ask for your age.
Okay.
Like I think that's not the culture here to ask like a stranger like your age. Do you have kids or not?
Udah menikah belum?
Yeah, very personal questions.
Okay.
Just avoid that.
Kalau di sini juga kita istilahnya kupu-kupu ya. Mahasiswa di sini aku rasa dibanding Indonesia tuh lebih kuliah pulang. Kalau di Jogja aku dulu nyari temen tuh yang satu kelas. Terus nanti we hang out somewhere, go to the beach or something. But that's not necessarily the case here. You talk to people in your class, but then they go home. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't really hang out. There's our exceptions, but
Of course,
generally
speaking.
I totally forgot the question.
Yeah, it's about what is biasa di Indonesia, tapi jarang sih. Atau mungkin susah. yang biasa di situ di Indonesia tapi harus menghindari di sini?
Not necessarily about education and stuff, but in here, like having a permission, like if you taking pictures of video in public, it's really a big thing to get permission, especially if they're underage. Definitely a big no to take like their face if they don't give you permission for it. I feel like that's not so much in Indonesia where you can just like walk around taking videos and pictures. You can get in trouble here.
I think so.
I have a reverse actually. I I think meeting some people, Australian people. Kalau di Indonesia kan kita nggak langsung cipika-cipiki ya, kayak yang dicium kanan kiri gitu.
Oke.
Biasanya kalau gitu tuh gitu kan di sini. Tapi enggak, aku ketemu I meet some people. Kadang mereka kalau not a professional setting tuh langsung dicium pipi kanan kiri, aku kaget. Iya, and it's not just one person. It's not just like. Apparently it's like a thing that they do here.
Especially like the elders.
Iya, kalau udah tua nanti kita ketemu ya. Cipika-cipiki. Kalau mau cewek mau cowok juga dicium pipi kanan.
Kalau berapa kali di sini? 1, 2?
Kadang 1, kadang 2 tergantung.
Tergantung apa? Orangnya atau daerah atau?
No, tergantung orangnya aja.
Okay.
Tapi biasanya 1 aja.
Kalau di Prancis tergantung daerah. Ada 1, ada 2, ada 3 sampai 4 kalau nggak salah.
Ya.
I feel like that would cause trouble if the other person doesn't know like how many
Iya,
times.
Ya, itu apalagi kan ada yang mulai dari kiri, ada yang mulai dari kanan.
Awkward banget.
Apalagi kalau belum kenal orangnya.
Kayak ditarik gitu tuh kayak, ini ngapain?
Next, apa yang murah di Australia tapi mahal di Indonesia?
Susu murah banget, 1 jug like for 1 liter it's $1, so like 10.000.
16
fresh milk. Itu murah di sini.
$10.
$1.06. So 16.000 murah.
Semua setuju.
Susu.
I don't know, I don't buy milk.
Oke. Alright. Apa ya? Mungkin satu pesan untuk teman-teman Indonesia yang pengen kuliah di Australia.
Jangan takut, coba aja.
Go try it.
Ya.
Banyak opportunity-nya. Beasiswa banyak banget. Australia are very keen for foreign exchange students who come to their country.
And when you're in class, when you meet like new tutors and stuff, don't be afraid to get connection with them, because I feel like they are the most important people that you can connect with, and it's like really easy just to do it in class.
Jangan segan juga. They're more chill here.
Yeah.
I think kalau kita di Indo ke dosen ke profesor tuh lebih segan. Tapi kalau di sini super
We just
chill.
call by their first name
By their
if they
first
want
name.
to.
Super chill.
Super chill. There is no big gap between students and professors. Okay.
Sometimes we go to the pub together. Go to the 7-Eleven.
Nightclubs as well.
Oh no. That's a boundary in that.
Alright. Last but not least, I think that's quite an important question. Harus tahu sebelum pacaran sama orang Aussie.
Kalau paling besar sih nggak semuanya begini. Cuman kalau di Indonesia kan sering kabar-kabaran ya. Udah makan belum? Kamu di mana? Nggak dikabarin ngambek gitu. Terus constantly di HP. Tapi kalau mau yang kayak gitu jangan pacaran sama orang Australia. Mungkin ada yang seperti itu. Tapi generally mereka kayak ya udah.
Okay.
Bukan berarti cuek. Cuman ya emang nggak begitu aja. Udah.
No comment.
Alright. Mungkin juga dari masukan kalian tadi harus siap juga jogging tanpa sepatu.
Ya. Belum sih.
Oh belum.
No, number one boundary. I keep my shoes on.
He has to follow you. Alright. Okay, and in a few days there is a big game.
Yep.
I'm sure you're aware of this. Timnas Indonesia is going to play against Australia. The welcoming country Australia. You are living here, but you still have your heart, Indonesian heart. Maybe one word about this.
Semangat Timnas Indonesia.
Semoga menang.
Amin pasti.
Let's go watch it.
Who is your favorite player? Or if you're
I don't watch. I'm so sorry, but I think Nathan Joan. Yeah, my mom likes him so.
Okay, so you follow your mom.
I follow Kila.
I don't know the name, but I like the goalie. He was super cool in the previous match when we watched it together.
The goalie, Rafael. No?
Maybe one of the goalie. Yeah.
All right.
He was
Oh.
Yes.
Yes.
bocoran ini.
Ya, benar.
Okay, do you know that there is an Indonesian player who plays in Australia?
Yes, I've heard. I don't know his name, but my dad sent me like a WhatsApp, like Facebook thing.
Please meet him and take a picture for me.
Yeah, no, he said, oh no, yeah, you should be really proud.
Okay, nice. All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Do you know, here there is an Aborigine language. I heard some of you guys know maybe 1 or 2 words. How do you say thank you?
Wow. I
I
don't
don't
know.
really
I
know.
usually use like hello, which is kaya,
Okay.
but I don't know what thank you.
In Murdoch's slogan is
Okay.
actually Aboriginal. It's Mulakot Bidi. I might have butchered that, but I think it's make a better future. Is it? Let's before I absolutely
Butchered anything.
butcher that. But let me look up.
Little check.
Yanga, apparently.
Oh yeah,
Yanga.
Nalakot Bidi, building a brighter future together.
Okay, wow, nice. Wise words.
Yeah.
Cool. Alright, thank you very much. Terima kasih banyak.
Terima kasih.
Dan ya, kalau kalian pengen kuliah di Australia sebagai orang Indonesia, you are welcome. I think most of welcome. Lots of experience, new friends, new network, and experiencing.
How do you say thank you in French?
In French.
Merci.
Alright. How can I forget that?
Merci.
Merci beaucoup dan sampai ketemu di video selanjutnya. Ciao.
Ciao.